Oh, I wonder what this is. SVR. Enough.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern New Castle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 9 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Salem to near Lambada, moving southeast at 95 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Easton, Georgetown, Centerville, Talbot, Smyrna, Milford, Seaford, Chestertown, Denton, Centerville, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Camden, Clayton, Lewis, Federalsburg, and Milton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
That's
until
gonna be
9 p.m.
sideways.
for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne, and Talbot.
Another one, right?
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement.